How's it going, everybody? My name's Jason Rios with Old Traditions Gentlemen's Parlor in the city of Los Alamitos. And today we're gonna go ahead and show you guys a simple shave with my man Nick right here. We're gonna start with using our Badger brush and our shave soap. So we're gonna go ahead and just get a good consistency in there. Using, of course, the Suavecito mug. Make sure that just kind of activates. Gonna go ahead and clean and prep his skin, get it ready for the shave. And today we're pretty much gonna be just keeping the mustache. So now we're gonna apply our hot towel. We're gonna let the hot towel do its thing, start raising and prepping the hair as well. We've already kind of just prepped and cleansed it. Next, we're gonna go ahead and use our pre-shave oil. So this makes it easy to go ahead and just shave the beard off. So with the pre-shave oil, I prefer to use the pre-shave oil because it's gonna actually make it a little bit easier. I don't have to go and actually trim the beard down, bring it down with like my T outliners or, just shorten it. It's gonna make it easier to just be able to shave. Just wanna make sure you get it down into the root. So with the shave, the main things that you wanna do is you wanna have your angle at a 40 to 45 degree with your straight blade. And you wanna make sure that the beard is also pretty wet, pretty drenched with that pre-shave oil, and that you stretch the skin. Those are the three pretty much keys to a successful shave, whether you're doing it at home or taking care of one of your clients. Next up, always just kind of following the shape of the way the hair is growing. So if the hair grows down, you're gonna go ahead and shave down. When there's a grain change, then you're gonna go ahead and adjust yourself too. You wanna be careful at the Adam's apple, take it nice and slow and easy. Doing a quick second pass over, just to give us a good visual and foundation to our shave. It soothes and just relaxes the skin, especially after a shave, because you've actually now have removed the first layer of skin, which is our epidermis layer. Now we're gonna go ahead and end our precision shave with the menthol Suavecito aftershave cream. Apply a small little amount, make sure we activate it. And Nick has sensitive skin, so that's the reason why we're gonna go ahead, and because it's also what he uses on the daily, so we're gonna go ahead and just finish up with that menthol feel. So, which pretty much has natural menthol, and also it's gonna prevent any irritation. And for those who like that menthol feel, their skin is typically gonna absorb it very naturally, very quickly as well. And we're gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of aftershave after, just to go ahead and use a little bit of alcohol based. This is our Aftershave Black Amber, and this is 50% alcohol. So that's the reason why we're gonna go ahead and use it, because when you're doing a shave, typically, we're gonna go ahead and just activate that. You are opening up the pores, cleansing the skin, opening up the pores, you're shaving, and then with your towel, you're kind of closing the pores, and the alcohol is also gonna be the main agent that's going to prevent any bacteria from actually getting into Nick's skin. So just to make sure that he can go home and his skin is gonna continue to be nice and clean and smooth. He's got very nice skin. Let me go ahead and show you the mirror. All right, we're gonna go ahead and finish our taper with our Aftershave Black Amber. So next step, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go ahead and trim up his hair. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it down, and we're gonna be doing just a light trim, just about the tip.